Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Should you exercise during Ramadan or will it drain your energy? Many people stop working out completely. But did you know the right kind of exercise can actually boost your energy and help with weight management? I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, and in this vlog, I will share the best ways to stay active during Ramadan without feeling exhausted, so you can stay fit and healthy throughout the month. From the best workout timings to the safest and most effective exercises, I'll cover it all. Stay tuned to make this Ramadan your fittest one yet. It requires a balanced approach to maintain energy while fasting. The goal is to stay active without overexerting your body. Here is how you can plan your workouts. Best time to exercise. First, before iftar, pre-sunset, 30 to 60 minutes before Maghrib. This is the best time for exercise. And the exercise should include light workouts like walking, stretching, or yoga. Avoid intense cardio or heavy lifting to prevent dehydration. Second best time is after iftar, 1 to 2 hours later. And this is best time for strength training, weightlifting, or moderate cardio. Your body is rehydrated and has energy from food. Third best time is before Suhoor, early morning to some people. And at this time, light stretching or yoga for flexibility is important. And avoid high intensity workouts as they may cause fatigue during the day. What are the recommended workouts? First is the low intensity workouts, which is best for fasting hours. Walking 30 to 40 minutes, yoga or stretching, and light resistance band exercises. After iftar, the moderate intensity workouts, they are good, and these include body weight exercises, push-ups, squats, and lunges, weightlifting, moderate weights, 8 to 12 repetitions, and low impact cardio like cycling, treadmill walk. Then the high intensity workouts only if your body can handle it. Remember, and this should be after iftar. And this includes high intensity interval training, that is HIIT, short bursts of exercises, strengthening training, that is heavier weights, fewer repetitions. What to avoid during exercise in Ramadan? Avoid high intensity workouts while fasting. This is the dehydration risk. Long endurance workouts, long distance running, and heavy weight lifting before iftar. By following a smart workout routine and eating the right foods, you can stay fit and even lose weight during Ramadan. Would you like a customized workout plan based on your fitness level? Let me know. I can share with you then the generalized option. Exercising during Ramadan is not about pushing your limits. It's about moving smart. Choosing the right workout at the right time can boost your energy, maintain muscle, and even enhance your fasting experience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments. What's your favorite time to work out during Ramadan? Ramadan is a time for spiritual and physical renewal. Stay active, stay healthy, and let's make this month a time of strength and transformation. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.